Hello, everybody. Hello, 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 hello. My name is Rebekah Borucki. I am your meditation guide for the next several minutes. I have a website called BEXLIFE.com where I teach meditation and mindfulness, and I talk about motherhood and parenting and all that good stuff. And this is my live, a little bit late if you're watching live, 11/11 Monday meditation. I try to get to you every single Monday live here on Facebook, and I offer it in replay on Instagram and YouTube and all the other places that I hang out on Facebook, including my private Facebook group, which is linked in the video description. Today's meditation is one that I am thrilled to bring you. Just thrilled maybe is not the right word because I don't feel overly excited about it. I just feel really pleased and happy and blessed to have received this message and to be able to pass it on. And if you are familiar with my platform, you know that it is based on the idea of healing yourself or taking those steps toward more healing, toward more happiness, abundance, health in your life. And while you're doing that, while you're learning and acquiring new tools, sharing them with other people, because that is so important. As we heal, we should be extending the hand out and helping other people to find their peace, their calm, their happiness, their health, their well-being. So today's meditation takes on that theme. It is from a comic that a friend of mine in my private group shared, and I'm going to put the artist's name in the video description because I don't recall it off the top of my head. I don't have notes here. But it was so beautiful. It was a man walking into like a deli or a shop, and the shopkeeper said, "Have you been helped, sir? Have you already been helped?" And his reply was, "By so many people over the course of my life," or something like that. But he was acknowledging that he has been helped by so many people. And another big theme of my platform is community and how none of us do this alone. There's no such thing as self-made. We all have received some help, some guidance, some wisdom, some love, some hugs, some kisses, just something that helped us move just one small step forward, that gave us the support that we needed to take that next step, to try that next big thing, to face that fear. So community is so important to me, and it's something that I talk about every single day. It is so important for us to not only be there for each other, but to welcome the help and the love in, and understand that we all need help. We all need help. None of us can do it alone, but we shouldn't be doing alone. It's not what we're here for. So this meditation is inspired by that, but also by something that Mr. Rogers, Fred Rogers, did in a commencement speech at a university a long time ago. So at this moment, I'm going to invite you to close your eyes if it feels safe, if it feels comfortable. If not, just keep them open and place your gaze softly upon an object or a point across the room or on the floor right past the tip of your nose. Notice your breath, your easy and effortless and natural inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. Allow your exhales to help you to release any tension that you might be holding in your body. Allow your exhales to settle you into your seat. Be comfortable in your seat, sitting up as straight as you can, but there's no need to be uncomfortable, definitely no need to be in pain. You might want to take a big inhale and bring your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, release your shoulders down, your shoulder blades along your spine, opening your chest. One more time, inhale your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, roll your shoulders down and along your spine. Continue to follow your inhales and exhales as they travel in through your nose or your mouth, down your throat, filling your chest, your belly, resting for a beat in your seat, in your bottom, and then following them up and out again. Follow that exhale out of your nose or your mouth. Continue that pattern of paying attention, of breathing, as I guide you through this very short but so effective Mr. Rogers meditation for love and gratitude and hope and community. So in this commencement speech, Mr. Rogers, in the way he does so well, communicates with such evenness and intention, and you might even call it slow, the way he delivers his speech. He looked out over a completely captivated and quiet group of graduating seniors and alumni and professors and family. And he asked everyone to take just a minute in silence to recall all of the people, family, friends, teachers, community members. Recall all of the people who helped them to get to where they were sitting in that moment. And the whole place was silent. And as people brought those visions, those images of their loved ones into their mind's eye, they began to cry and smile. So I'd like you to do the same right now. You might be struggling in the present moment. You might have a lot of obstacles in the way of you feeling peace and calm, but you also have blessings, and I want you to focus on those right now. And the people that are blessing you, the people that have blessed you, and that have brought you to this moment where you are safe, where you're choosing to spend time in self-care and self-love, where you've created space to acknowledge them. Maybe you'd like to picture yourself sitting in a room with chairs in front of you. And there's a door partially opened on the other side of the room. And slowly that door opens, and a smiling person walks through, someone from your present, your past, someone who has shown you love or support, shared their wisdom, their guidance with you. You welcome them in and invite them to sit in one of those chairs in front of you. And you look into their eyes and they look into yours, and you smile at each other. You share a moment. And in this moment, before you invite someone else in or spend more time with this person, as Mr. Rogers did, I want you to acknowledge how happy you have made that person, because they get to see you here expressing gratitude, but even better, they get to see you here feeling loved and doing something loving for yourself. Now at this time, you might want to revisit a memory with this person or invite another in. I'm calling in my parents who have passed, my 7th grade English teacher, Miss Autry, who meant so much to me, my Aunt Kathy, who texted me this morning with a loving text of support, some very special girlfriends who I know always have my back. I'm looking at each of them and smiling in gratitude, saying to them, thank you so much. Look at all I've done and where I've gotten to with your help. And seeing them smile back at me, feeling their warmth, their love, their pride, their joy. Rest for a moment with your people. Maybe at this time it might feel good to smile for real. I've been smiling almost the whole time. Acknowledge your breath in this moment as an affirmation of your aliveness, your vitality, proof that you are here, and a message that you must go on. You have so much more to do, so much more love to receive, and so much more love and support to give. Your breath says all of that. You can sit here for as long as you'd like, and I encourage you to sit for as long as you'd like, to use up as much time as you can loving on yourself and spending time in quiet contemplation and visiting with the people, the souls you love and who love you. I'm going to come back to this space. And say 3 times to affirm how much you mean to me. First, with gratitude, thank you, thank you, thank you. You showing up for me, you showing up here for yourself with me, compels and inspires me to keep showing up for you. And I say 3 times, I love you, I love you, I love you, because I mean it. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. As you heal others. You have the power to heal, the power to teach. You have abundance to share in so many ways. I'll see you soon with another meditation. Please comment below. I want to say hello.